Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today, I will show you how to auto-scroll YouTube Shorts. Make sure to subscribe to fix it for more tutorials. So the first step is to open up the YouTube mobile app, and then make sure you are signed into your account. After that, tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and then tap where it says Settings. So now what you want to do next is tap where it says Autoplay, and then simply toggle this on mobile phone/tablet. And now when you finish watching a YouTube short, it should play another automatically without you having to scroll. If this tutorial helped you today, make sure to subscribe to fix it. Leave a comment below on what you want to see next.